All right, good morning. I wanted to talk to you guys today about what is going to be expected when you are playing the everyday math games. So I have been working very diligently. I've been calling the district and trying to figure things out to make sure that you guys can play the games online. And we finally have access. So today you're going to get the opportunity just to explore and play around. I'm not going to assign any specific games, but I do want you to at least look at them and make sure that you can get onto them. So what's going to happen is I'm going to show you just now how to do that. And then I'm going to put a text box under this video. And I want you to write in that text box, what game did you enjoy the most? What game did you play? Game did you like? I want you to write me a little sentence, just one sentence about the game that you did and whether or not you liked it, whether you enjoyed playing it, or if you wanted to look at some other games that we might have. Okay, so I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so you can still see me off to the side here. So you are logged into your Google information. So it should say your name at ftstudent.org. You're going to click on that waffle. I know I showed this before, but I wanted to re-show you. Scroll down to where it says McGraw-Hill, and that will let you log in. So you're going to click your login. And then it should automatically come up with a student edition for you. I have assigned the information, and your page will look like this. Now, on this page, I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can see. Sometimes there are tutorial videos, so that could be something that you could use. Sometimes you're going to see things like assignments listed. Sometimes you're going to see things like the everyday games, and then also the student reference book. So again, I know I said this in my last video. Some of you have asked about the student reference book that we used on lesson 1.1, so what we did on Monday. The student reference book, we don't have copies for every student to take home with them, so we actually have access to them online. So right here at the top right-hand corner, it says student reference book. That's where you can go to find information. Now, here's another little hint for you. When you're working on a problem, like I worked on this problem today with you, and it says right here at the very top of that problem, if you see that little box, that little box on your Math Boxes page tells you what page to go to get hints. So if you didn't understand this assignment, you can go to that page in the student reference book right here, and you can get a little hint on that assignment. Isn't that kind of neat? So what you're going to do today is you're going to go to this, and then you're going to actually click on, and you can click here, and it takes you kind of through the lesson. It tells you the mental math. It shows you the math message, the problem solving and summarizing. It shows you everything that you're going to need, right? But you also then can go here and you can play any of the games. So we've done multiplication baseball, and I've at least shown you that. And then we've shown you, I've shown you name that number. So what you can do is you can click on any of these games that you want. It will give you a little like snippet of them talking, telling you how to play, and then you can play the game. So it's going to be kind of fun. So this is for you. There are also skill builder games that you can play. And then you can also do challenge games. So the good thing is, if I'm doing this game right here, I can go to 2 players. Say mom or dad or grandma or aunt or uncle or older siblings are here with you and they want to play a game too. You can click on multiple players and then you can type their name in, or it'll be guessed, I guess, and then you can play against them. So they have to practice the skills too. So I think that's kind of fun. So this is for you to use to play any of the games that we have on here. One of the things that you might do well with, and one of the things that might help with you, help you today, is definitely going to be that baseball. But you also could do the name that number. And then on your assignment, I actually assigned something that talks about area with different measurements. So make sure you look at that game too, because that's also a game that you can play. Okay? Have a great day, guys. I hope you enjoy the Everyday Math Online. I hope you enjoy learning all of the great things. If you have questions, feel free to reach out. Bye, guys.